Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Is your Android phone completely frozen and not responding at all? The screen is stuck and nothing is working. Do not panic because you can fix this instantly. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons firmly. Your phone may take a screenshot, but do not release the buttons. Continue holding them until the screen turns completely black. Once the screen goes black, the phone will automatically restart. After restarting, your phone should start working normally again. This issue usually happens when an app crashes in the background or the system gets overloaded. Sometimes a software bug or low memory causes the phone to freeze completely. When this happens, the touch screen stops responding and normal restart does not work. If you ignore this problem and force close apps repeatedly, it can lead to frequent freezes and poor performance. Your battery may also drain faster because frozen apps keep running in the background. In rare cases, the phone may get stuck on the logo screen again. To avoid this issue in the future, keep your phone storage clean and update your system regularly. Avoid installing unnecessary apps that run in the background. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android emergency fixes.